What's going on, guys? TechRex here. I've got another Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge right here, and I got to show you this is a very clean device. Look at that back. So shiny, so amazing. Not a single scratch, not a single blemish on this phone. And what we're going to be doing is something that's actually been requested a number of times. I'm going to be blending this phone. I've never done it. This is just my own version. We're going to see, I don't have too much blending experience. What's all the hype about? Can blenders even blend phones? And in this case, a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. This is the top of the line, the brand new phone. And let's just see what happens. So, kind of interested in finding out. Again, there's the S7 Edge. And I'm going to pop this thing right in here. So, putting the lid on top. Make sure it's all on focus. And let's try this. Wow, doesn't seem like it wants to move around too much. Okay, let's go ahead and just briefly, not too much smoke or anything. Let's just take it out, and I'm gonna try and set it like that so maybe it can move around a little more. And let's continue.
It's black.
Wow. Okay, so before I do anything, I just got to let you know, this blender seemed like it was really struggling. I have no idea why, but it wasn't blending it really, and then there was a sudden point where I just felt like the blender itself would erupt, just because of the noise it was making. It did not seem like it was the right thing was happening. But anyways, guys, regardless, it's been blending for a few minutes now, so let's just go ahead and check out what happened. I'm going to take this out. Whew. Oh, don't breathe that. Okay. Wow. That's not complete. That is not complete. So, what do you know, guys? All that blender hype. What is it about? It seemed like that's a different type of blend. I've never seen anything like that. That just looks so dark and black. Like ash or like charcoal or something. Oh man, and you can see it totally got, the smell is horrible, by the way, but you can see it ate away that entire battery, but not the entire phone. I was really expecting it to just be pure powder, but check it out, you can still see the phone, pretty much half of it. Man, the texture of this is like manure. It's so soft, it literally feels like soil, like you could just plant some vegetables in this stuff. It's not sharp. It's very, very, very soothing, actually, to the touch, and it's warm. It's almost like a nice little blanket. Like I could just soak my hand in there, just in case, if you're ever hurt or you're bleeding, and then you'll have that nice tension and relief. Anyways, guys, I'm just messing around. Oh, that was hot. Anyways, thanks for watching. Again, there's the phone, pretty much half eaten. I can imagine if I had the phone in there for maybe another 5 minutes, it would probably slowly make its way to completely disintegrating this phone. But honestly, I think the motor would have just broke or something on the blender. So that's it. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.